How to build a personal brand on Threads. So, in order to do that, you need to have a clear goal in mind. So, since I am actually daily tutorials, this is actually my personal brand. This means that this will be the name that I will be using on Threads. You need to have your own logo, and you also need to name yourself the personal brand that you want, and as well as the username right here. So, as you can see, my name is Daily Tutorials, and my username is Daily Tutorials YT. Now, for this one, click on this edit profile option and then make sure as well that your bio is in sync with your own personal brand name. So, since this name is Native Tutorials, my bio is your go to place for easy and effective tutorials, which is actually connected to each other. So, you need to actually edit that out, edit all those parts in order to make sure that you have your own personal brand in sync. So that's how you build a personal brand on Threads. Hope you help.